and welcome back to Pond House Garden. Today I am in Mom and Dad's dahlia patch, and as you can see, it is doing phenomenal. Now it is the first week-ish in September, and the blooms will continue on probably for most of September. But the first step in getting ready to winterize the tubers is to make sure that we've tagged them all, and that's what I'm working on today while I'm down here. I'm gonna go and walk through the house with Dad and look at all the electrical that's been completed by the electrician. But in the later afternoon, I'm gonna come back out here and I'm going to tag everything. Now, these tags I actually bought on Amazon. They are a waterproof plastic tag, and they wrap around the stalk of the dahlia. And then I'll just use a simple Sharpie marker and write down the name. This way, when we are digging up the tubers next month, and we will have a video on this for you, we will not have the names confused when we're just looking at a bundle of tuber with no flower on top. I like to stake the tuber, but I also like to tag the tuber, and that way we're ensured that we are actually keeping track of the names with the appropriate tubers. I think that's where people tend to go wrong. When I purchase them on Facebook Marketplace and at different dahlia flower shows, sometimes they'll be mislabeled, and it's because people miss this step. While they're in full bloom and you can identify them very easy as to what they are, that's when you want to do your tagging. Okay, so let's get on with it. But first, make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you want to be alerted to the very next video. We're gonna have more garden tours coming up, and we're also gonna have a longer video that shows you how to winterize your dahlias. Remember, subscribing is free and it's fun. You wake up in the morning, boom, there's your next show that you get to watch with breakfast. All right, enough of that, let's get started. that concludes today's video, showing you how we do all of our tagging for our dahlias. We don't just do it for our dahlias, we actually extend the tagging throughout the whole garden, but I really wanted to show you this before we start the winterization process. So I hope that this video encourages you to go out and buy some tags and start to tag some of your flowers while they're still in bloom and you can still properly identify them. The wind is just starting to pick up, which is the perfect time to head inside for a good cup of coffee and a fresh cut slice of banana bread that Mom's just made. So until next time, remember, your dreams can become a reality just like ours have. All you have to do is take the very first step or plant that very first dahlia. Have a great day. I can't get in. I'm stuck. It's falling apart. I'm stuck. Helicopter. Didn't anybody tell the helicopter guy that we were filming today?